today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce video size without losing quality. If you have a video file that takes up too much space, but you still want it to look sharp and clear, one of the easiest ways to handle that is by compressing it properly. A great tool for this is Handbrake, which is a reliable open source program that many people use for video conversion and file size reduction. To get started, go to Google, search for Handbrake, and open the official Handbrake website from the first result. From there, download the app and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete and you have access to the Handbrake app, open it up so you can begin working with your video. Next, load your video into Handbrake. You can usually do this by dragging the file into the app window or by selecting it manually from your computer. After your video is loaded, you'll see a range of settings. But don't worry, you only need to change a few key options for a strong balance between quality and smaller file size. Choose MP4 as the output format. This is one of the most widely supported video formats, and it works well for compression while still keeping good visual quality. Then set the video encoder to H.264. This encoder is a popular choice because it gives excellent compatibility and efficient compression. After that, set the frame rate to 30. For most standard videos, this is a solid setting that helps keep file sizes manageable without creating a noticeable change in playback. Then adjust the RF quality slider to somewhere between 22 and 23. This range is often considered the sweet spot for reducing file size while keeping the video looking very close to the original. Lower numbers give higher quality but larger files, and higher numbers shrink the file more but may reduce quality, so this range is a practical middle ground. Once those settings are in place, leave the rest of the default presets as they are. Handbrake's defaults are generally good, especially if you want a simple and effective setup without getting into advanced configuration. Now click Start Encode and let the program process the file. This can take a while depending on your computer's speed and the size and length of the video, so be patient while it finishes. When the encode is done, compare the original and compressed videos side by side. Check how they look visually, and then look at the file sizes in megabytes. In most cases, you should see a noticeably smaller file with little to no visible loss in quality. That's it. And now you know a simple way to reduce video size efficiently using Handbrake.